So, on behalf of all of us, and everybody watching, wherever you are, thank you for reminding us that dreams really do come true. I love you so much. Wala kang magagawa. You signed away your rights. Ginoke na lang, maiiyak na ako. Pero I love you so much. I never imagined that I could love you even more after 10 years of being together. And I'm excited to spend 10 more lifetimes with you. I love you. Oh.
I love you, baby.
Nandiyan lang yung nanay at tatay natin. Astig lang dapat kasi ako.